I'm with PJB Mechanical. My name's Justin. We're here snaking the roof vents. The process is running the snake all the way down the vent to clear the vertical, and then we come the next day and we jet the horizontal. So anything that gets pushed down then gets jetted out of the system the next day.
All right.
Yeah,
we're gonna go through it. Let's hit it. Yeah, I think we're at the bottom now.
Yeah, oh yeah, look at that. It's getting...
Yeah, feel something? Oh yeah. We're good, we're out. Oh! Alright, so this is why we snake vertical sometimes. A little bit of dirt, a lot of yuck. Oh. And there you go, that's how you snake the vertical.